actually done this awesome, and this is just a catch-up update and quick run.
I got
and a quick set and a quick run. I've leveled up my sister in just like AFK grinding. Yeah, in a private server, which she bought for a very low amount of Robux. So buy a private server, support me, Kathy. This is a god game. Yeah, my sister's now level 55. Let's see what we can give her and equip for her. Okay, so my inventory looks extremely stacked right now.
My inventory is crazy.
I have a stacked inventory right now. This is really stacked. Alright, let's see. Let me see your inventory here. I'll just be looking at the screen.
What's this thing?
Okay, you don't really have much. Do you have any mage armor that is above level 39 and purple? Go down. Just mage armor, because you already have the best staff that I can find. Forgotten warrior. I don't see any good mage armor. Okay, compare our helmets. Compare the mage helmets at the bottom. Bottom of your screen, the mage helmets. Mine's 44 spell power. The bottom. The one with the horns. 44, 45. Yours is way better than mine. Okay, give me that so I can go upgrade it. I'll unequip it. Let me see if I can find a good weapon for you. Okay, you are level. Okay, what's the power of your weapon? What's your spell power?
My spell power?
Yeah. Picking the spell power 263. 260. Bro, they're the exact same. That's. Would you rather a scythe or that epic sword?
Epic sword.
200. Oh, I have a better epic sword for you. I'm gonna go upgrade it for you. We got a holy grail. What other mage stuff do we have? Spell dagger. Wow, this is a staff inventory. I'll be giving this away big time. I'm just gonna go.
Crazy. I'm stupid.
Yeah. All right. Give me the helmet. I sent you trade. Give me the helmet.
Helmet. Blah 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 blah.
Whoa, shiz! I just saw. Oh yeah, I got a purple 992 staff. It's pretty epic. Well, in one more level, I'll give you my legendary so you can use it. It has 1,000 spell power. Good man. Alright, let me just go up here, upgrade. Where's the good helmet? 5, here we go. Spendall, spell power. Forgotten Mage Rope, spell power. Where's the weapon? There it is. Spell power.
Excalibur.
Yeah, I got a better thing though. It's called Kraken Slayer. Yeah. Alright, so, here is the epic weapon. Look at those stats. I can't look at the stats. You just hover over it. Alright, we'll test your damage and then we'll go into a match. Okay?
Okay.
Oh shoot, I got Firebomb!
What?
Firebomb is a cracked mage spell. Here, let me give you it. Here, let me give you Firebomb. You could dual Firebomb and Ice Beam. There's the spell breaker. Oh, you get set. Alright, this is what I'm talking about. Where is this Firebomb? There it is. Firebomb. Let's see what else we have. Lightning Strike.
Poison fire.
Yeah, there's a bunch of poison cards. You're way better than Poison Card, though. Trust me, I've seen your inventory. Yeah. While you were in there, I saw you. It was crap. No good. Alright, yeah, just accept. Alright, and then, what I'm gonna want you to do is go ahead and go to your inventory and hover over the purple lightning. Hover over it. Alright, equip it. Okay, now hover over your, equipped weapon between the needles. The needles, the equipped abilities, you have no, in your inventory. Under your sword. Under your sword, yeah. Under your sword. Under your equipped sword. Ice needles. Okay, now go to the purple lightning again.
Okay.
Purple lightning's better. Put purple lightning in the firebomb and then come with me. Lightning and the firebomb. Alright, come with me! Oh yeah, you don't have a speed spell. I'll walk. Let's go. Test your damage. And then we'll go do a quick dungeon. And we'll see you guys tomorrow with another update on her level. Goal, we're gonna get her to Ghastly Harbor. And then we're gonna get her to Canals and we'll do videos of we'll do videos of a bunch of runs and what loot we get. I'll just do the loot. Alright. This is my damage. But let's go to the novice dummies and see your damage. Because there's no way you're gonna be advanced. Let's see, drop a bomb. Wait, fix your stats first. 5k. Wow, that's as much as, what's his name did. Alright, now go to your inventory. 30k, alright, let's fix that. Let's make it so you do more. Okay, go to your skills. Yeah. Click reset up there. Reset, yes. Okay, put 5 into stamina. And put everything else into spell power. Just auto click it. You have an auto clicker. 5. Alright, stop it. Let's see your damage now. Oh, I just killed him. Alright, let's see your damage. Drop a bomb. Oh. 6k. It's 1,000 better. Alright, let's see. Drop a bomb. About 3k more. Good job. Alright, let's go to nightmare mode and let's see what we can get. We'll do a few runs and we will be back. We'll be back at each boss. Let's do this. First boss here. And, yeah. Let's see what we get. Oh yeah, my, second boss actually because I forgot to record. She got the void wand thingy. See what we get. I got absolute garbage, and she got 2 purples. What is your luck?
I don't know.
She's getting god luck, and I'm getting trash. No joke. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next boss. You didn't. My sister died testing her damage after I gave her the crystallized greatsword. Yeah, she's mad at me. So we're gonna go just click on the boss, see what happens. Of course you won't touch it. I got absolute garbage and she got a overpowered spell. That's amazing.
I feel like I got trash.
Nope, you got arrow rain.
Because you're trash.
You got piercing rain.
Can we break up 5 feet of the way,
So,
guys?
this is the end of the video.
Bye.
Hope you guys enjoyed.
Bye.
See ya.